Hello my people, how una dey? Today na Sunday. I just say make I try see whether this thing wey I don dey plan since. You know people go dey plan something na so you go dey push am. Today I just say okay, as the weather go small, you know the way, make I sit down, set up, do small experiment. My name na Ladi. I bin don dey think of how I go dey do small videos to dey enligh ten people wey dey for our kind of business line, welding and fabricating. Na just this video no be to run anybody down or gain popularity, na just to enligh ten people wey dey in the line of welding and fabrication, construction, so that we go dey learn from each other. As I talk am before, my name na Ladi, and I go give una small gist how I take get into welding business line. Because originally I go school small. I study economics. I get degree for economics. I do masters for business administration, marketing. And people wey know me before, dem go say, how come? Because my line of work then telecoms. I've been work for telecoms. In fact, MTEL, mobile line. Now we first they run mobile things, 090, MTEL, GSM before all the others come. So you know, say na something go push you go one place. When things begin rough for MTEL, one of my guy, he dey Yankee now, his name na Ladi Osho. They come visit me for office. At that time, my office for VI, Beach. My office be like a palace. It big like anything, see everything there. They come, but when every other operators don't begin to join the business, and we don't do things as we supposed to, then take over and things begin go down for MTEL. My guy can't tell me, say, but this one way just they come here, the place just they dry, so you know go begin look for something else. I can't think. I say okay, as it be so. You know, I won't begin I beg to apply to the right to other telecoms. So I'm seeking for employment. Yeah, I say, if you don't mind that they do one business and money they come up for there. If you don't mind, if we run out together, which kind of business? The guy say, I think they do welding, because I know it's not my guy, but he tell me say they do construction, and that the way he put on before without for me say they do things and all that stuff. But I know you don't call on that name. He just tell and say they fabricate, they do fabricating business. That's what we call them. So as me, I know really do thing, but I know say he go small people like that. So with the road, I say welding. I look at my life, I say welding, me, the whole area manager, make I come begin to do welding. See, no be as I see am, I saw the thing be. Say if I see enter, I go dey surprised. After a while, I come get a small thought, and I say okay, make I join am, make I just try the thing, make I see how it will be. And so I follow and go site one day, go do measurement, take measurement, come back, do quotation, show me how they do quotation. We submit quotation for the client, we go meet client, we discuss, negotiate. After a while, we agree for price with the client. I remember that time the cost of that project was like 2.5. Back then, 2008, yes, 2.8. The project did by that period. So we can't go buy materials, get boys for workshop, we do everything, go site, go install. I look at that day, I dirty, come back house, look somehow. It take us like 2-3 weeks to do that job. When we come finish, my guy can say, oh boy, we don't finish, they don't pay us balance. Say, take, hold this one. I can't look the thing. wetin be this? Say take my your share for the money with that. He gave me like 250k. I remember 250k. 250. Say because the money will remain. Say because we no manage the thing. Say we get like 400, 450. But say because he gets some other job and you know say things don't dey rough for this one. So make I hold that 250. I can't look the thing 250. I can't look waiting at the collect for salary that time for as area manager. I think it makes me make you enter 100k every month. Now somebody can't give me 250 for less than 3 weeks job. What we do as we do that one, that's why I say this job the be like say I go chook head inside well. We can't begin do am, they do am. But after a while enter come sell the place come die off. I can't put food body inside, can't do am. But my job that time now to go look for customer because now where I sabi things they bring customer for the two job, they collect and they see as they collect money and they look at it say wetin how much you do this job just for 300, 250, 200. Now so I take enter the business, the rest na history. But I no can't stop for there. I can't decide say okay as it is so make I go brush myself up for the field so that when I dey market myself, when I dey go look for a job, I go dey talk with full confidence. As God clear, my family dey abroad that time, they Dublin. I just look at I say okay, this one I dey go abroad, spend 3 months, come back, come here, come dey hustle. I fit go abroad, do course, that same 3 months, I will get knowledge, come back, continue. That's why I go Dublin Institute of Technology, go study welding. I do level 1 and 2, get certification. I come back to Nigeria, join my guy, we begin to the hustle, the thing they go. But you know how things be. After a while, business begins slow. My family go abroad, they complain. I don't get choice. I just have to. It's okay. Make a waka small. That's why I take waka go abroad, go sit down. But as I take the no fitting. After a while, I just come back to Nigeria. But that my guy, that time he too done the plan. He waka go Yankee. So that's why I set up another business. And I don't stop for there. When I finish that Dublin one, after I go back to Nigeria, I do small again. I come back, I come England, come UK, go Canterbury College, go through a fresher course on a higher level again, enter welding, get more knowledge, and so I come again. So now the story of how I enter the welding business with that. But from time to time, I go to drop some small videos, things tell people things about welding, how well people they cheat client, how they know they use the correct material to do job, why would they get some things they know they last, then they collapse and all that thing. All those ones you go bring, I will begin giving an artist about that. Thank you. I just say make I use this one, take do sample whether it go work or you know work. And I well done. Thank you. Bye.